Good morning, guys. It is the day after Hurricane Ian has made his presence known. So let's go out here and see how everything fared out. Ooh, it's windy out here and cold. Yes, y'all. Somebody's so nosy. All right, hold on. Let me show y'all. Let's look and see what happened. It's not too bad for their fence, but whoo, Ian but was talking. There's a little bitty baby tree. It got damaged, y'all. This sign right here, y'all, belong to that school right there. Dang, Ian. Y'all, so good. And I can say God is good all the time. And all the time God is good. Let me tell you. Whew. Them winds was blowing. That rain was coming. But God kept on providing. We have our lights. There's like so many people without lights right now. It's crazy. It really is. People are just driving around doing assessments. I guess they just driving around looking to see what's going on. See how people fared off and everything. But we did good, y'all. God did good. For those people that, they weren't as fortunate, we praying for them and their families that they get their power back on and everything. Y'all, these damn birds, they better not try to come and get me. But God did his thing, y'all. He did. He looked and provided. Hey, what happened? She working. Yep. She back in effect. When this is the only grocery store in town open after the hurricane. Giovanni, what you doing? Why are you holding the cord?
Oh, the kids is loose.
Oh.
When Jenny put the thing in, he was walking down the finger board. It's not funny. You think it's funny too? It's not funny. Yeah.
Hey, don't you need the stool? She's done with it. Look at him. It's okay.
It's making me ashy, man. What is this? I'm here to save the day. What's the M&M?
Giovanni, there's a lizard right by your head.
Where? Mommy scared me.
Don't stand on that. Boy, calm your nerves. Calm your nerves. I told Giovanni there was a lizard. And then Babe scared Jalen. Oh, what a wonderful day it is. Hey, Babe. Hey. You want to talk to the people?
I need some what?
Yo, man looked at us like, ah. But anyways, y'all, we'll be back with y'all later. on today. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Whew. Let me tell you. Hurricane Ian came. I'm telling y'all, this last week, y'all girl been trying to catch up on her sleep. I have. But Hurricane Ian came. I thank God. Actually, we thank God it wasn't as bad as some places got. We was blessed. We was fortunate. You know, I didn't see too much damage in my neighborhood. You know, just standing water. But y'all, did y'all see Orlando? Alligators in the middle of the road. Like, hey, I'm just telling you, we are blessed. We're blessed because we look and think about those people down in Fort Myers and Venice area. They got hit hard. Like, I heard on the news this morning, some lady had to be rescued from her car. Her car was in 3 feet of water, y'all. Just imagine your car being in 3 feet of water. Rescue can't get to you, so it was like the military special forces people or something they said had to go out there and rescue her. I would have been scared shitless. I ain't gonna lie. I've been like, oh no. But again, my scary ass wouldn't have been driving out there in no rain. That part. So, yeah. I would have seen that water and be like, you turn. Fuck this.
Didn't you say it wasn't that deep at first?
Right. Well, she's the lady. The thing about it is she travels this road every day. So it's like 6 inches. She says when it normally rains, it's like 6 inches. But there's a pond on each side of the road. So, of course, hurricane coming, water pouring down, ponds overflow. Guess what? Girlfriend, you in 3 feet of water. 3 feet instead of 6 inches. Big difference. Big difference. So, y'all be careful out there for those of y'all that got damaged. Don't get scammed. Don't get scammed. You know, get in contact with your insurance company. Y'all work that out. Take pictures. Do all that great stuff that you're supposed to be doing so this process can move faster. Y'all governors say they setting up, you know, tents and stuff for the insurance companies to write checks on spot. We'll see how that goes. But go there. Don't let these people scam y'all. Then y'all be out of money, be out of insurance, be out of everything. And you won't get nothing taken care of. But on this great Thursday evening, do what you do best. Go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Tell your mama, your daddy, your sisters, your brothers. Tell everyone that you know. It's the Reese Fany Empire, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Y'all pray for South Carolina, North Carolina, because Ian will turn into another hurricane and he's hitting them up. Bye!